So I'm going to try and capture the sound that my Jeep started making on the way to a show in Vermont yesterday. I'm just going to set it in the cup holder. Not really getting much to look at for this video, but hopefully you can hear it. Alright, let's leave the gas station. That. Yeah, I gotta turn. Hear that? No clue what it is. Let me try and get you closer to the engine compartment. It almost sounds like the drive shaft is catching something. Like, hitting it. I checked, I didn't see anything. It's only when I apply some gas to it. See if I can't capture it better down this stretch. In case you're wondering, yes, the rapid clicking is something unusual, but yeah, it's not normally how it operates, but that's another story. I'm gonna put right up here. Maybe we can hear it from there. Come on, I'm at a light. Sorry, guys. Right there. Didn't happen in first gear. I did change my front differential fluid right before this started happening, but I mean, the sound wasn't an instant response to doing that. It was fine for a while at least. Differential's overfilled. I don't think it would make that sound though. I'm not even sure if the front drive shaft spins in four-wheel all time. There, I'm tapping the gas to emphasize it. But yeah, that's the sound I'm having.